Welcome to my video on how to calculate the area of geometric shapes. In this video, I want to go over a calculation of the area of circles, squares, rectangles, triangles, trapezoids, parallelograms, and ellipses. Knowing the area of a surface is very important. If you're painting walls, laying carpet, designing a building, estimating land size, these are just a few practical examples, plus there's also math class. And so your units are always going to be some form of squared length. It can be like a centimeter squared, a meter squared, a foot squared, inch squared, nanometer squared, whatever it turns out to be, whatever your dimensions you're using. The first example we'll look at is the area of a square. The formula is very simple. Area is equal to side times sides, which is the product of the sides, or sides squared. In this example, if the side is 2 centimeters, then the area is 2 times 2 is equal to 4 centimeters squared. Next, let's look at the area of a rectangle. The formula is A is equal to the length times the width. So there's your length times the width. This example, if the length is 3 and the width is 2, then the area is 3 times 2 is equal to 6 meters squared. The area of a triangle has the formula area is equal to 1/2 times the base times the height. So that would be the base, and then this vertical distance right here would be the height. So in this example, the base is 2 centimeters long, and the height is 2 centimeters. So the area is equal to 1/2 times 2 times 2, so that's 4 divided by 2. 2 square centimeters would be the area of that triangle. Area of a circle, it's given by the formula pi times the radius squared. In this case, we're going to use pi as approximated as 3.14. It's an irrational number, it goes out forever, but for this example, that's a good number to use. So if our radius here in this circle from the center out is 1.5 centimeters, then the area is equal to pi 3.14 times 1.5 centimeters squared, which is equal to 7.06 square centimeters. The area of a trapezoid is given by the formula 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2 times the height. So base 1 is going to be 2 in this example. Base 2 is 1 in this example, and the height is 2 units. In this example, we've chosen centimeters. So plugging those numbers into the formula, base 1 equal 2, base 2 equal 1, height equals 2 centimeters, we get area is equal to 1/2 times the product or the sum of 2 plus 1 times 2. So that's 3 times 2 is 6, divided by 2, 3 square centimeters is the area of our trapezoid. Now let's look at a parallelogram. The formula for the area here is basically the same as that of a rectangle. It's kind of just a squashed rectangle is really all it is. So if the base is equal to 3 inches and the height is equal to 2 inches, then the area is 2 times 3, which is equal to 6 square inches. The last figure we want to look at is that of an ellipse. Now, an ellipse is defined, it's kind of an elongated circle. You start at the center, it has 2 basic dimensions that define the ellipse. This A, the longest distance, is from the center out to the maximum elongation on the ellipse circle. A is given semi-major, and then from the center out to the shortest point away would be the semi-minor axis, and we call that B. So the area of ellipse is going to be pi times A times B, where A is your semi-major axis and B is the semi-minor axis. So this example, we're going to have A, which is the semi-major axis, is 2 feet. B, the semi-minor axis, is 2 feet. So the area now becomes pi times 4 times 2, which is equal to 25.1 square feet. want to thank you for watching this short video. Hope you got something out of it. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.